Hey, and welcome back to Dan the Flavor Guy. Today, we're doing the cinnamon caramel popcorn. Got 5 ingredients, super simple. We're keeping it simple. 4 cups of microwave popcorn. That way you don't have to worry about the mess in the pot and all the oil. This is as simple as it gets. We have our cinnamon, we have our salt, butter, and honey. For the cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, salt, 1/4 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of butter, and then honey, we're doing 1 tablespoon. Simple, easy, great for movie night. All right, for our next step, we're gonna go ahead, I got a cookie sheet here. I have it lined with aluminum foil just to make cleanup a lot easier. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with some vegetable spray because we don't want anything sticking on it. We're also gonna preheat the oven to 300 degrees. Let's do that right now. All right, you may be asking, why the heck are we preheating the oven? You said it was gonna be simple. You said it was just gonna be microwave popcorn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the popcorn, and then once it's done, we're gonna sprinkle it on our cookie sheet. Then that's when we're gonna add all of our ingredients over the top. We're gonna bake it so this has time to form that caramelized, crispy type coating that you would normally get at store-bought caramel popcorn. Let's do that now. And through the magic of time, popcorn's finished. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open this up. By the way, I don't know if I mentioned, this is also butter flavored, so it's gonna give it that extra layer of flavor, because you know, flavor is what we're all about. All right, so that's done. We're gonna let that cool. Got the oven on. The next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna bring you over here to the oven, and we're gonna start melting down our butter, getting our caramel sauce ready. All right, now that our butter is nice and melted, we're gonna add the honey. We're gonna stir the honey in along with that butter, get it to melt down a little bit, make it more liquefied. After that, we're gonna drop in the salt next, and then after that, the cinnamon. The cinnamon and salt, it doesn't really matter which one you add first, either one is fine. We just wanna make sure that it's a nice, thin liquid before we decide to pour it over our popcorn. Here's the cinnamon finally getting dropped in. Mix it up, make sure that it's mixed well. And once it's mixed well, we want to get it straight to the popcorn as soon as possible and get it poured. All right, now that we got everything mixed, it's all on there, we're gonna throw it in the oven, and we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, and through the miracle of time, our popcorn's done. Let's take it out of the oven. Oh my goodness, woo! This stuff smells delicious. As soon as I opened up the oven, right off the bat, I smelled the butter, I smelled the caramel, I smelled the honey. I can't wait to dig into this. Make sure you throw down some hot mats before you place something hot on your countertop. You don't want to destroy your countertop. All right, here we go. Ooh, cinnamon. Hey, super simple, easy recipe that you can enjoy with your family. Heck, your kids can make it. But you definitely probably want to supervise them. You don't want them to burn themselves. Anyways, I highly recommend you try it. This stuff is just smells delicious and is amazing. Super simple recipe, easy to do, doesn't take long. 15 minutes in the oven, 5 minutes to prep your sauce to pour over the top. It is by far dantastic. You guys need to check this out. Like I said, the smells are amazing. Sorry for eating with my mouth, sorry for talking with my mouth full. I can't even talk. It's definitely a movie night treat that you're gonna wanna try. If you could, hit the subscribe button, lick the like button, just make sure you dry your phone off, and subscribe. I wanna thank you guys for taking your time out of your day, spending with me, having some fun, making some popcorn.